We'll guide you through how to check your Gmail password on a mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be an annoying problem if you've gone and forgotten it, as perhaps trying to go and sign in on another device and you're unable to. So we're hopefully going to be able to go and see it before having to go and reset it. As a worst case scenario, you can go through the password reset and recovery process to go and get access again. But hopefully we're going to be able to go and find it. What you need to do is you need to go and open up a web browser. So we're going to open up Chrome, but it could be another one. Now head to google.com. So I'm just going to go and press Google, but I could search for Google as well. And here we are. What you need to do is head to the top right. You're going to go and see your profile icon there, tap there. Now, if you've got multiple Google accounts, we can actually go and repeat this as well. So we can press show more accounts and click and switch there if you need to. Then what you can do is you can go and press manage your Google account like so. Wait for this to load. Now you're looking for the option for security and sign in and you need to go and tap there. Wait for this to go and load. Now we're going to go and scroll down. I'll have to blur out some of my personal info, but scroll all the way down until you see the option for password manager. If you struggle to go and find it, you can press search at the bottom and tap there. Now press search. What you can try doing is typing in Google. It's more likely saved under Google than Gmail. I can see it there. Let's go and tap on it. It will need to go and verify that it's you. Because I'm doing it on this device here, I can actually go and use my screen lock. So I can go and press continue like so. And I'll then be able to go and see the saved details. So I can go and see it's actually got it saved here. I can press the I to the right to reveal it. Now, if you can't go and see it here, that's why it's worth checking the other Google accounts. You should go and switch and repeat that. And hopefully you're going to be able to go and check and see it.